Hello everyone, welcome to lecture 2. In our last lesson, we learned what a book report is, why we write it, and different types of it. And today we're going to take a next step, how to read book actively and take useful notes to prepare for book report. Let's start the first topic, what is active reading? Before that, we have to understand the difference between passive and active reading. Passive reading means reading without focus. You're just going through the words. You might finish the page, but you forget what you read. Active reading means thinking while you read. You ask questions. What is happening? Why did the character do that? What might happen next? Active reading helps us to remember more and write better book report. What should you focus on while reading? Here are the key things to watch for. Plot. What are the main events and what is story about? Characters. Who are they? What are they like? And how do they change? Theme. What is the message or the moral of the story? Setting. Where and when does the story happen? Author style. Is the language funny, sad, formal, or casual? Try to underline, highlight, or make small notes as you read. How to take notes? There are many ways to take notes. There are some easy ones. Sticky notes. Place them on the pages with important events or quotes. Second, margin notes. Write short comments or questions in the side of the page. Third, reading journal. Keep a notebook and write chapter summarizes or your thoughts. Fourth, graphic organizers. Use tablets or charts to track plots, characters, and themes. These organize your notes. Once you finish reading, you sort your notes into groups like plot summary, character list and description, themes or messages, favorite quotes with page number. This will help you later when you start writing your book report. Your ideas will ready and easy to find. Activity time. Here are small tasks you have to do. Choose a book and read the first or second chapters. Take notes using any method we just discussed. Then write a short paragraph about what happened and your thoughts about the main character.